For far too long, dating has happened on men's terms, and apps are built that way too. There are apps for cisgender men and women in their 20s, but nothing for queer women of color, plus-sized women, or those over 50 plus. But not anymore. We found 7 apps that are created for women by women with our own needs in mind. No creepers here. Get ready to maybe meet the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Number 1. Bumble. Bumble began in 2014 after Whitney Wolfe Herd left her work at Tinder, and now adversary, and realized that she wanted to challenge the antiquated rules of dating. Today, Bumble serves 35 million users, with women making the first move. On Bumble, only women can message first with their matches, and if there's no response, the message disappears within 24 hours. The app has done so well that the company has introduced Bumble BFF and Bumble Biz for growing friendships and professional networks. Especially useful for those moving to a new city or country, Bumble empowers all of us to not just play the field, but to level it. Number 2. Meet Mindful. Looking for a partner who wants the same healthy, happy life like you do? Meet Mindful. See what we did there? Meet Mindful is an app that prioritizes common interests like spiritually, yoga, travel, and health eating with authentic profiles and none of the swipe judgments. Once you sign up, you'll be directed to fill out a profile and then you can begin to see matches immediately in your geographic area. The app even gives you its premium subscription for those first 2 days so you can see all that Meet Mindful has to offer, including advanced filtering and the ability to send messages. If you're willing to spend a few bucks, then you might find it the conscious living partner of your dreams. Number 3. Coffee meets Bagel. If you're sick and tired and frankly bored, if being judged by just your face and few photos, you'll love Coffee meets Bagel. CMB puts quality over quantity with a limited number of matches each day so that you don't have to swipe left or right mindlessly anymore. Every day at 12 p.m., you'll receive new matches from an algorithm designed just for you. So they're curated to your interests and geographic information. You'll then have just a couple of days to decide if you'd like to move forward. But its emphasis on quality is the reason the app is free of creeps or lurkers. Only those seeking more serious relationships or authentic connections use it. Number 4. Her. As humans, we don't always identify as straight or gay and male or female. Her, a dating platform for queer women, wants to celebrate that. Whether you're lesbian, femme, trans, fluid, or queen, Her is here for you. Queer women were left out of online dating apps like Tinder and Grindr, and queer woman Robin Exton was not having it, so she created Her. Nowadays, the app has more than 3 million users around the world, with many users finding it to be a safe space. Users can report profiles made by straight men or straight couples, and the app comes with all sorts of inclusive sexual and gender identities. It's time we had dating resources that are as diverse as we are. Number 5. Ruthless. Ruthless is a relatively new dating app made for plus-size men and women, without the fat shaming. After seeing a viral Tinder experiment featuring girls bigger than their photos, the Ruthless founders wanted to create an app that would be a safe space for curvier users. Nowadays, millions use the app, ranging from those who identify as chubby to those who see themselves as big, beautiful women or a big, handsome man. Plus, those with fetishes are strictly banned, because all of us deserve a comfortable place to meet potentially romantic partners. Rather than be negatively judged for our bodies, Ruthless wants to create a space where we can appreciate everybody. Number 6. Silver Singles. If you're over 55 plus, Silver Singles might be exactly what you're looking for. This mature online dating community is made specifically for those ready to enjoy the prime of life. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted to take a personality test that will be used to find matches all over your area. No one catches your eye that day? Not to worry, the app will send you new matches every day. With 1 month, 3 months, and 6-month plans, Silver Singles lets you and send flirty basic communication for free, and then offers paid opportunities to send messages. With this app in your corner, it's never too late to find that special someone. Number 7. Sapio. If you are a fan of the New York Times 36 questions, you'll be obsessed with Sapio. This app isn't just about pretty faces, it's about mixing beauty and intellect. First, users answer thoughtful questions like what they take the most pride in or how they can be the best versions of themselves. Then, with the app's Q&A match system, they'll be matched with those who align with their lived experiences and genuine passions. Plus, it's free to use with up to 100 likes a day and offers the option to purchase coins for additional likes. We're excited about Sapio because online dating could and should be way more than just hookups and hangouts. But 5 apps weren't enough for us, so we all recommended a few of our favorites. Dating apps that might fill in the gaps for users not covered by the 5 most installed apps. Whether you're looking for a casual fling, a rebound to get over a breakup, or your next long-term relationship, you can start by downloading one of these dating apps.